Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to starting the new chapter, chapter number 4. What is the name of chapter number 4? Inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so one by one we can see important concept. Without this concept, definitely you can attempt concept oriented questions. Okay, so the starting the concept, the basic form means actually, so what is the meaning of tan theta? So tan theta means sin theta divided by cos theta, as well as what is the meaning of cot theta, cos theta divided by sin theta. So first, if you take it, we make one right angle means we have the three sides, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3 side. So what is the name of this side? Okay, so the first one, this is theta means opposite of angle. Opposite of angle, that is called opposite side. Okay, we can write it full name, opposite. So then opposite of right angle, this is right angle symbol. Opposite of right angle, that is called hypotenuse. Okay, this is called hypotenuse. This is called opposite. Okay, remaining one side is that is called adjacent. So three side. Okay, angle of opposite called opposite side, opposite of right angle side is called hypotenuse, remaining one side is called adjacent. Then important, the basic shortcut name osa chota. Osa chota. What is the meaning? This is called sin theta. Then this one is called cos theta. This one is called tan theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Then cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Then tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Then reciprocal. Reciprocal means reciprocal of sin theta, that is called cosecant theta. Therefore, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse divided by reciprocal of cos is called secant theta. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Then what is the reciprocal of tan theta? Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent divided by opposite. Okay, this is important points. If you know the osa chota, you can write it automatically. Okay, because it depends upon sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, now I am moving to continuation of the concept, that is actually basic 3 identity. So already you learn, I think, from grade 9 onwards. So basic identity means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. The first one, basic identity, what did I say? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then second basic identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So third one identity, it's called cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Third one, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So from these 3 identities, we can split it 3 important formula. How to find out sin square theta? 1 plus cos square theta, bring out opposite side means minus cos square theta. Then what is the value of cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. Now the second identity, what is the value of secant square theta? 1 minus tan square theta, bring out opposite side means positive tan square theta. Then how to find out the tan square theta value? So already minus tan, bring out opposite side means a positive tan square. But so how to split the secant square theta? Definitely secant square theta minus 1, isn't it? Secant square theta minus 1. From third one, What is the value of cosecant square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. Then what is the value of cot square theta? So cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, from these three basic identity we can split it three important formula. This is also important. Okay, then I am moving to one of the important truth table. Okay, listen. So truth table. So first table name degree, second one radians, third one sin theta, fourth one cos theta, last one it's called tan theta. The degree means 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So radians means 0 means 0. This is called pi by 6. Pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. How to split actually the radians? What is the meaning of pi value? 180 means 180 divided by 6 is equal to 30. Then 180 divided by 4 is equal to 45. 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60. 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90. So now how to find out the sin theta? Already I told you each and every value truth table in your finger we have the value. So no need to draw. No need to separate the truth table in your answer sheet also. If you have the thoroughly in your finger, you can attempt whatever such a type of truth table answer, because some one word also possible questions. So how to find out the degree, how to find out the radians, you can utilize your finger. Let's see one by one. So what is the meaning of sin theta? Sin theta means square root of number of finger count in thumb side, okay, divided by true. Example, sin 0. What did I say? Number of finger count in thumb side, okay. This is called thumb finger. This is called indicate finger. This is called middle finger. This is ring finger. This is little or small. This is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Now I am moving to how to find out the 0. So if you fold the 0 of the finger means look at there, do you have any value in thumb side? There is nothing. So we can write it directly 0. Therefore sin 0 is equal to 0 root of any value means 0 divided by 2. So 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. So we can write it directly, sin 0 value will be 0. I am moving to sin 30. So sin 30 is equal to, look at there, sin 30. So this is indicate finger, we have to fold. Now look at their thumb side, how many balance is there? Thumb side only one finger balance is there. Therefore square root of 1 anything means value will be 1. Therefore we can write it square root of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore sin 30 value will be 1 by 2. I am moving to sin 45. You have to check it the middle finger. So middle finger, thumb side how many balance is there? So 2 finger balance is there. Therefore sin 45 is equal to root 2 divided by 2. If you take conjugate means root 2 divided by root 2 means root 2 into root 2 means 2 will come. So 2 divided by 2 root 2 means 2 and cancel. Therefore sin 45 value will be 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. I am moving to sin 60. What the value? So sin 60 means definitely you have to check it the ring finger. You can check it the thumb side how many finger balance is there? 3 finger balance is there. Therefore sin 60 is equal to, so sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. Sin 90. Sin 90, you can check it. Little finger, isn't it? Check it there. 4 finger. It's counting in thumb side balance, isn't it? Therefore, sin 90 is equal to sin 90 is equal to 4 finger. Therefore, root 4 by 2. Already we know root 4 is equal to 2 means 2 divided by 2 is equal to value will be 1. So, sin 90 is equal to value will be 1. Okay, moving to cos theta. Instead of thumb, we can write it little side, we have to count it. Okay, what is the formula? So, cos theta means number of finger count in little side. Cos theta is equal to number of finger count in little side. What will happen? The same concept, but you can write it reverse order. If you thoroughly this formula method, you can attempt in your higher education also. It's very useful for you during the exam time. Okay, I will do one by one. So, number of finger count in little side in cos theta value. Cos theta means, look at there. So, little side you have to check it. It's the same. This is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 or 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 or pi by 2. So, first you have to check it cos 0 means. So, cos 0 means we have to check it thumb side, you have to fold it. Check it there. Little side, how many finger balance is there? 4 big finger balance is there. Therefore, cos 0 is equal to number of finger in little side root 4 by 2. Root 4 by means value will be 2. So, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, cos 0 value will be 1. I am moving to cos 30. So, cos 30 is equal to what is the value? Cos 30 means definitely. So, we have to check it. We have to fold actually indicate finger. Little side, how many balances there? 3 finger balances there. Therefore, square root of 3 by 2. We can write it value will be square root of 3 by 2. Cos 45, you have to fold the middle finger. So, cos 45 is there. Definitely, we have to check it little side 2 finger. 2 finger means cos 45 is equal to root 2 by 2. I told you if you take conjugate means root 2 by 2. So, again root 2 into root 2 means 2 divided by 2 root 2. Again 2 cancel means balance will be 1 by root 2. What is the answer? 1 by root 2 for cos 45. Moving to cos 60. Cos 60 means we have to fold the ring finger value. Ring finger, the little side only 1 finger balances. So, we can write it directly 1 by 2. Then last one cos 90. Cos 90 means we have to check it. Do you have any value in little side? There is nothing. So, we can write it value will be 0. So, 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. Therefore, cos 90 is equal to value will be 0. Now, you can, I think you can find out very easy tan theta value. What is the formula? You can apply in true method. One method, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, or sin theta, I told you the shortcut form square root of number of finger count in thumb side divided by 2 means reciprocal means 2 will be cancelled. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan theta is equal to the formula sin theta divided by cos theta. Already I told you the sin theta means what did I say? Square root of number of finger count in little side divided by 2. So, little side thumb side, isn't it? So, thumb side divided by 2, again divided by cos theta means square root of little side divided by 2. If you reciprocal means thumb side divided by 2 into 2 divided by square root of number of finger count in little side means, so 2 to cancel. So, square root of thumb finger side divided by square root of little side, you will get it easy value. Okay, tan 0 is equal to what the answer? So, tan 0 is equal to what the answer? Sin theta divided by cos theta. 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. Okay, 0. Next condition, tan 30. So, tan 30 means, so 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Reciprocal means 2 by root 3 will come, isn't it? 2 by root 3. Again 2 to cancel. Therefore, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Next one, tan 45. So, sin 45 divided by cos 45. Sin 45 is equal to value will be 1 by root 2 into root 2 divided by 1. root to cancel, tan 45 is equal to value will be 1. Then tan 60 is equal to sin 60 divided by cos 60. Sin 60 is equal to what is the value? Root 3 by 2 into cos 60 means 2 by 1. So 2 to cancel, definitely root 3. Therefore tan 60 is equal to value will be root 3, as well as tan 90. So tan 90 means sin 90 divided by cos 90, isn't it? So tan 90 is equal to cos 90 divided by, sorry my dear, sin 90 divided by cos 90. Sin 90 divided by cos 90. So sin 90 is equal to what is the value? 1 is there, divided by cos 90 is equal to 0 is there. I told you. So 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. Any number divided by 0 means undefined or determined. We can write it undefined, okay, or infinitive. Undefined, okay. This is also important part. Okay, now I will do some inverse trigonometric function from this truth table. If for example sin 30 is equal to, how to find out the value in inverse trigonometric function? Sin 30 is equal to, what is the value? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, how to find out the sin inverse of 1 by 2? Therefore, 30 is equal to, sin bring out opposite sign means sin inverse of 1 by 2. So, already we know what is the radians of 1 by 2 actually. Radians means sin 30, isn't it? We can write now sin pi by 6 value will be 1 by 2. So, instead of 1 by 2, we can write it radians sin pi by 6. So, sin pi by 6. Therefore, sin inverse sin cancel means sin 30 is equal to what is the value in inverse trigonometric function? Pi by 6. Okay, as well as one more value. So, cos pi by 4. Cos actually 45, isn't it? So, cos 45 is equal to what is the value? Cos 45 is equal to what is the value? 1 by root 2. Then 45 is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 2. Therefore, cos inverse of 1 by root 2 means what is the meaning 1 by root 2? Radians actually cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. That is actually cos pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4. Definitely cos inverse cos cancel means cos 45 is equal to radians is equal to inverse trigonometric function value will be pi by 4. Okay. This method to utilize for inverse trigonometric function. This is also useful. This is also very useful for you during the exam time. Okay. Moving to the next part. So, now I am moving to the unit circle form. Unit circle. This is actually 0, 360 or 720. It is moving on 0, 2 pi, 4, 5, 6, 5, it is moving on. Then this is called 90, pi by 2. So, 3 pi by 2, pi by pi, it is moving on like that. So, 90, this is called 180, this is called 270. So, now, so first quadrant, this is mentioned for second, this is third, this is called fourth quadrant. Each and every quadrant we have the different type of the name. So, each and every professor, each and every teachers have different name. All silver teacup, all student take chocolate. So, I consider for all silver tea cup. Okay. So, all silver tea cup. So, if you move on each and every quadrant, horizontal means, if it example horizontal value, what are the horizontal value? Sin 180 plus theta, or cos 360 minus theta, or sin 360 minus theta. This type of the value, the same value will be repeat. Sin means sin only repeat. But in vertical means sin 90 plus theta or tan 90 plus theta. This is vertical means name will be changed. Name will be changed means sin 90 plus means we can write it cos name will come, as well as tan 90 plus theta means cot name will be different. Okay, let's see each and every quadrant what are the value will be possible with the name also. Okay, first quadrant. So first quadrant, what are the cases, suitable cases? So 90 minus theta, this is first quadrant. There are 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta. First one, sin 90 plus theta, then cos 90 plus theta, then tan 90 plus theta. First simplified. This is vertical. What did I say? If vertical means the name will be different. Name will be different means sin means what is the name? Cos will become. Then cos means sin will come. Tan means cot. This is vertical. But sin according to the quadrant. Quadrant means 90 plus theta, isn't it? Sorry, my this is 90 minus. Sorry, my dear. This is 90 minus, no? 90 minus. So 90 minus means definitely both it lies on first quadrant. First quadrant means all the value will be positive. So sin 90 minus means positive cos theta. Then cos 90 minus means positive sin theta. Tan 90 minus positive cot theta because it lies on first quadrant. As well as second type. So instead of 90 we can write it 360 means sin 360 plus theta. Then cos 360 plus theta. Then tan 360 plus theta. So what will happen? This is horizontal. Horizontal means name will be same. Sin means sin only repeat. Sin theta. Cos 360 means cos theta. Tan 360 means tan theta. But sin also I told you each and every quadrant lies on first quadrant. First quadrant means all the value will be positive. Okay, these are all different. I will continue the second quadrant. Okay. So second quadrant, what is the meaning of second quadrant? So clockwise means definitely 180 plus theta. Counterclockwise means 90 minus or theta, isn't it? So clockwise means 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. So counterclockwise means 90 plus theta, isn't it? 90 plus theta. 1 by 1 sin 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta. So sin 180 minus theta, what will happen? 180 minus theta means this is horizontal. Horizontal means same name. Sin means sin only will come, sin theta. Cos means cos theta only. Tan means tan theta. But you have to look at sin actually. 180 minus means lies on second quadrant. Second quadrant means sin only positive. You have to look at their very important points because some of the students after writing the answer here sin only is there. So here only positive. It's not like that. You have to check it where here sin value is there. Sin actually here is there, isn't it? Sin 180 minus theta. So this first value only positive. Sin 180 minus theta. Second one cos 180 minus theta. Definitely minus cos theta. Then tan 180 minus theta also minus tan theta. This is 180 horizontal name, but I am moving to writing vertical 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta, then cos of 90 plus theta, then tan of 90 plus theta. Look at there, sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus means sin name have to change for cos theta. Cos name change it for sin theta. Tan means cot theta. But sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus means sin only positive. This is only positive. So cos 90 minus as well as tan 90 means minus. This is second quadrant. Okay. Moving to third one. So third quadrant means actually clockwise means 270 minus theta, isn't it? Clockwise means 270 minus theta. So counterclockwise means 180 plus theta. Sin 270 minus theta cos 270 minus theta tan 270 minus theta. Now sin 270 minus theta, what will happen? Sin 270 minus theta means lies on third quadrant. So this is actually vertical line. Vertical line means sin change for cos theta, then cos change for sin, tan change for cot theta. The sin tan only positive, so tan only means this is only positive, here also negative, here also negative. So 180 means what will happen? Sin 180 plus theta cos 180 plus theta, then tan 180 plus theta. So now sin 180 plus theta, what will happen? 180 plus theta means tan, third quadrant, isn't it? So third quadrant means this is horizontal, same name, sin theta only, here also cos theta only, last one tan theta only. So now 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta means only tan only positive, here also negative, first two negative. This is called third quadrant. Okay, moving to last one, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. So clockwise means 360 plus theta, isn't it? 360 plus theta. Counterclockwise means 270. Sorry my dear, clockwise means 360 minus theta, isn't it? Counterclockwise means 270 plus theta. First one, sin 360 minus theta, again cos of 360 minus theta. Next one, tan 360 minus theta. This is horizontal, same name. This is also sin theta, second one also cos theta, third one also tan theta. Now sin actually fourth quadrant means cos only positive. So cos only means cos 360, this is only positive, here also negative, here also negative. So as well as 270 plus theta means sin 270 plus theta, again cos 270 plus theta. Next one, tan 270 plus theta. So 270 plus theta means this is vertical, sin name change for cos, then cos name change for sin theta. So tan name change for cot theta. Sin actually sin 270 plus theta. So cos only positive, cos 270, this is only positive, here also negative, here also negative. So after completing, sometime we are saying sin of minus theta means sin of minus theta and cos of minus theta. Minus theta means what is the meaning? 360 minus theta. So or 0 minus theta. So 360 minus theta means what is the value? Sin of 360 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So many problems we are writing only sin of minus theta is equal to, we are saying minus sin theta. This is the method actually, 360 minus theta or 0 minus theta. Therefore sin 360 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, as well as cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, because it lies on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means what is the meaning? Cos only positive. Therefore cos of minus theta is equal to positive cos theta. Why? Cos 360 minus. So 360 means it lies on minus fourth quadrant. All silver teacup means fourth quadrant, cos only positive. Okay, these 2 points also important. Okay, so I hope my dear students you are very satisfied. I think very clear concept also each and every step. If you have any doubt, you have to put in comment box. Again I am moving to continuation of how to apply the inverse trigonometric sine function. Okay, be stay on the line. I am moving to continuation of concept from chapter number 4. What is the name of chapter number 4? Inverse trigonometric function. Moving to sine and sine inverse function. So before moving to the sine and sine inverse function, first we have to very thoroughly what is the value of sine 0 to 90. Sine 0 to 90 means example degree and radians and sine value. Sine value means degree 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Radian means definitely 0 means 0, 30 means pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. So already I told you what is the value of pi, 180. 180 divided by 6 means 30, 180 divided by 4 means 45, 180 divided by 3 means 60, 180 divided by 2 means 90 will come. Then what is the value of sine? So sine 0 means I told you how to check it in thumb side, that is called sine, but cos theta means we have to check it little side, okay. So 0 means 0 value will come, pi by 6 means definitely 1 by 2, then this is called 1 by root 2, then this is called root 3 by 2, then 1, isn't it? So what is the value of, you check it, is sine 60 means I told you, sine 60 means 0, 30, 45, 60. If you fold ring finger means you have to count in thumb side, how many finger balance is there, root 3, therefore square root of 3 by 2. As well as sine 30 means definitely pi by 6, you have to fold the indicate finger means thumb side only one finger balance is there. So root 1 is equal to value will be 1, so 1 by 2, okay. This is a sine value. Then how to find out the basic trigonometric to inverse trigonometric. Example, x is equal to sine theta is there. So if it consider for theta is equal to 30 means this is basic value, this is trigonometric function, therefore consider for theta is equal to 30 means x is equal to sine 30. So x is equal to sine 30, sine 30 is equal to what the value? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, therefore we can say x is equal to 1 by 2. This is trigonometric function. The same function how to find out in inverse trigonometric. Inverse trigonometric means sine bring out opposite side. Sine bring out opposite side means sine inverse x is equal to theta. Instead of x we can take it any one value. Okay, I will consider for 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means what will happen? Sine inverse of x instead of x I have considered for 1 by root 2. What will happen? Sine inverse of 1 by root is equal to theta means sine inverse in radians 1 by root 2. What is the meaning? 1 by root 2 in radians means pi by 4, isn't it? So we can say no, sine pi by 4 value will be 1 by root 2. So instead of 1 by root 2 we can write it sine pi by 4 is equal to theta. Sine inverse sine cancel means pi by 4. Therefore inverse trigonometric function in theta is equal to what is the value for sine inverse 1 by root 2 means pi by 4. This is inverse trigonometric function. So most of the students do one mistake. What is the mistake? Actually sine inverse x means they are thinking about their mind actually 1 by sine x. 1 by sine x. It's not correct. Why I am saying it's not correct? Actually inverse trigonometric. But except inverse trigonometry, what are the term? Algebraic term, exponential form we can apply. What is the meaning? X inverse of 1 means we can write it 1 by x. But here sine inverse x or cos inverse x and tan inverse x means we never do write 1 by tan x or 1 by cos x like that, because it's called inverse trigonometric portion. But why we are cancelling means this is one of the property. Property means some truth value. Sine inverse into sine means we can cancel it, as well as cos inverse into cos means we can cancel it. So what are the 6 terms? Tan inverse into tan means tan inverse tan cancel means the same value will be answer. Okay, this is the important points. Okay, I am moving to some slope problem. As per your book given one slope of the problem, it's useful for 2 mark 3 mark question. Okay. So slope problem, if you have x and y 2 points, this is called x, this is called y. One line if you intersect means you have to take it particular points. This is called A, this is called B means A is considered for x1 and y1, B is considered for x2 and y2. If you make it one right angle part from this particular point, so what will happen? Already I told you opposite of right angle, that is called hypotenuse. This is considered for theta means opposite side. Remaining one side, that is called adjacent. So this is AB and C means this point will be meeting x-axis. You know, x-axis means we can write it. This is called x2. Then this is called meeting to y point. Y point means we can write x2 comma y1. So therefore adjacent it's called del y is equal to y2 minus y1, as well as del x is called x2 minus x1. So slope of the point, what is the formula? Already you know, isn't it? Slope of m is equal to slope. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. How we are saying y2 minus y1 means what is the meaning? Del y divided by del x. This is called tan theta. We can say why? According to the Osa Chota, what is the meaning of tan theta? Opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite divided by adjacent means actually, so opposite, isn't it? So actually here mistake is there. Listen my dear, actually this is slope of m is equal to x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1. So now we can say slope of m is equal to, sorry my dear, this is actually del x consider, no? So del x consider for x2 minus x1. Then because this is x of the point, isn't it? This is called y means what will happen? This is del y. Del y means that is called y2 minus y1. So now del x is equal to, but actually the formula way, this is slope of the m. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 means I know what is the value? Del y by del x. This is called actually tan theta. How you are saying tan theta means? Already I told you tan theta means opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite divided by adjacent means this is called opposite, this is called adjacent. Therefore instead of y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, we can say tan theta. Therefore m is equal to tan theta means how to find out the inverse function? So theta is equal to tan inverse of m. It's useful for you, some problems, 2 mark or 3 mark question, okay. So I hope you are satisfied in this session. Please my dear students, if you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. I will continue the next session with inverse trigonometric continuation, okay. Bye bye.